Whoops. Well, hello there. Forgot to enable my screen transition there. So, let's see here. I think I need to make that PR already. That's where I left off the other day. So let's take a look at that first. And let's backtrack a little. Welcome. I'm Jojo Bite. You're watching me stream here. I've been working on a user interface for CrowdNode JavaScript tools, or SDK, that was written by CoolAJ86. So I am going to be making a PR to, I believe it's this repository here. So I'd already forked it a little while ago, but there needs to be a fix. I think I synchronized this yesterday. It's not quite working for what I need. Or specifically for the CrowdNode SDK. So there needs to be a fix for it for some of the other stuff I need to be able to do. But to recap for anyone just joining in, I've been building this CrowdNode user interface, and the goal of it, and well, actually it's outlined right here. So we need to be able to create a new wallet or import existing private key. So that is this part right here, this enter your encrypted private key phrase. Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. It's this part right there. Let's see. I remember. It didn't work. What went wrong? There we go. Okay. So that didn't work anyways from a string is not iterable. Oh no, that's right. Okay. I don't know why it did the URL thing. It should have just worked like this. So I'll have to check into that. I don't think I had refreshed it since getting started here. So, but I digress. This is the private key area that I was about to say, which is connected to this create a new wallet or existing private key. Then the encrypted private key stuff is next, and they're basically flip-flopped because before you generate the private key, if you want to store it encrypted, or if you're trying to open your wallet, it makes more sense for that to be first, which is why it's first. So with that, it stores in your local or session storage. Yeah, that's what it looks like encrypted. Pretty fun. And if I were to check that and either generate a new key or paste in a private key, which this has a private key, I'm not actually sure why it didn't update that field. Because as soon as you as soon as you enter an encryption passphrase and it gets to this part, it generates a key if there's nothing already in storage. So there's a key, it just didn't update that field. But if I refresh like this and enter the password again and do that, there's the key. So this private key is connected directly to a wallet. So that gives us those first two that are done. We need to be able to export private keys for use with the command line tools. And we can use this private key, I believe, with the command line. I think I've tested this in one of the previous episodes. And this is where, so we've got show QR for funding CrowdNode wallet. It's obviously, you can see there is a QR code right there. That technically is done. However, after I got that completed, I realized that the current command line utility that a lot of this is being based on is it's doing it a different way than I was planning to. I believe. Shoot, I keep losing this window. So I believe that I think it's that. So show QR. It's used in 3 places, and that's what I think we're finding. The definition is 1, and there's 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this initial one is for send dash to your staking key via the above QR, via the QR above, or its address. So that's essentially what this is. However, once you've got that, you need enough put in here. So that's what I list right here. You need this as a bare minimum, and that fee is used to initiate your CrowdNode account. So essentially you get that initial one first, and then once you've got that in the wallet, you can do the collect sign-up fees, which shows you a different QR code. Or perhaps it's the same QR code. It might just have the specific fees to send. So essentially, the command line is set up where it shows you so you can initially fund it. Then it shows you the amount that needs to be sent to for the sign up call, and then the amount that needs to be sent for the accept call. And then the last one that needs to be sent is for depositing funds. The way I'm doing it right now, and might be completely fine, is you can load your balance. You see this once, and once you've loaded it, you can get this address again, but it doesn't show you the QR code. I could easily add this back in so that whenever you're trying to load more funds in, it will show you that. But anyways, that is something I might need to deal with more. But that brings us back to the task to-do list here. So I was working on this CrowdNode account sign up, and it's loosely connected to the QR part, which is why I haven't completed them yet. And there's the sign up, agree to terms, and deposit. All of these technically work once the wallet is funded. However, there is an error in this funding process, and that's what brings us to this repository dash site. So I've got the fix right here. It's this bit of code here in the dash site repo in this instant send. Essentially, it has this JSON true, and instead of body, I've actually deleted it, but it has something by default that's It's something like this. Okay, so that's the default stuff that's not commented out, but supposedly that should work. However, it has not worked in my experience. It partially works, but it doesn't fully work. And the only thing that I found that fully works is setting it this way. So there's either a deeper glitch in the request library or there's something else that needs more. But this fixes it to the point where it becomes functional again. So let's save that, and then I need to open up this library here. Let me see. Might be doing this the hard way. It's probably easier to open it from the command line. That is dash site. I'm pretty sure I have this cloned somewhere. Dash site. Okay. So we need the instant send, probably in this. Well, that's interesting. Did I change this already? Oh, I did. So I started to update this. But like I said, I don't think that actually works. Let's let's see, get status. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I forgot to start my music again. Let's try this. So this music is from an open source game that's written in the Rust programming language. And it's called Valoran, I think. And I quite like it. And I think the music is open source. I ended up asking about it in their Discord channel. And they said it's stream safe and it's listed as a part of their open source project. So I'm using it and hopefully it doesn't result in any problems. Please let me know if it is up too loud or maybe it's too low. Maybe y'all need it to drown out the sound of my voice. As if. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, that's right, that's right. I need to get pull. I think this works for push, but I'm not actually sure. That didn't work. Your branch is up to date with origin main. Okay. That's good. I guess I'm going to copy this and do that. Let's see the diff, so true, form, whatever. Okay. Is that a word? I don't know if that's a word. Doesn't look like a word. Inelegant sounds like a word to me. Ah, okay. Maybe I've just never seen it spelled before. Alright. Though inelegant, this does work. Alright, so let's save that. Let's see. Maybe we should create a new branch. Fix. Shoot. I don't remember what the error is. Maybe I'll go ahead and re-enable the original code so that I know the actual error I'm attempting to fix. Let's see. Let's refresh. Maybe I'll kill the server just in case. All right. Kill that and let's see. Oh, I am got stuff mixed up. I thought I had done something I clearly forgot to do. Okay. that, and now we copy this. All right, and I also need that. And I believe I send 004. That covers most fees. And, all right. And it should be sent. There we go. So instead of sending 0.0023, I sent 0.004, which should give us enough for the sign up, the accept, and then a little bit to deposit. So it's pretty fast. My guess is it's already happened. This is something I want to improve, is to actually listen for this change, but I don't have a way to do that right now. So let's refresh, clear that too. Okay, and look at that. Current wallet balance, .004. Okay, and we are up to the error part, so that's why I'm clearing this stuff out. So if I click sign up, there's the error. So post, where did that go? There it is. So failed to execute text on response body, stream already read. It's called instant send 400. Error. All right, so let's do a git commit with, what is it? There we go, but it's not an initial commit. Whoop, request error. All right, let's try that. All right, so that's git push fork. You fork. Will that work? I think it kind of worked. Maybe. Yeah, sure. Create a pull request for. Okay. Let's see. So let's pull that over. That didn't work. Copy. There we go. Let's see if I can take a screenshot of it too. Okay. Attach files by dragging, dropping, or pasting them. All right. Let's see if I can paste that. There we go. And let's add some more information to this. When executing is that it? Let me find the actual code where I run it. So fund or init QR get. I think it's the sign up. Let's go down there. So sign up, submit. CrowdNode sign up. So it is the sign up with the hot wallet. So executing CrowdNode signup in. Does that not work? Dash hive / crowd. Can't you link to another project? Feel having more trouble than I think I should. Right, so when executing CrowdNode signup in, I guess I'll just link to it. Issue pull request or a user or team. Got sidetracked by messages and losing my train of thought. All right, when executing CrowdNode signup, in browser, the error below is thrown. This attempts to fix the error and you move past. So that is true for the sign up, but it's also true for the accept. So let's get that in here too. So when executing CrowdNode signup or CrowdNode accept in browser, the error below is thrown. This attempts to fix the error and let you continue the CrowdNode sign up and accept process. Okay. So dash site fix instance send 400 blah blah blah. I don't know if I need to assign. Let's do a bug. All right, let's do that. Maybe we will add in this link. So edit when executing in browser, the attempts to fix. What do we think? Is that good enough? And JS, CrowdNode issue, blah, 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 and CrowdNode UI. This is related to implementing CrowdNode for issue number 47 in CrowdNode UI. And let's do that. Preview. Sweet. When executing CrowdNode signup and CrowdNode accept in browser, the error is below is thrown. This attempts to fix the error and let you continue the CrowdNode signup process. Post -incubator -site send fix 400 uncaught and promise type error failed to execute text on response body stream already read. And while that gives a lot more info, let's also gonna add what I think is going wrong and why this is the correct solution. So let's say the problem appears to be that don't do that. I'm going to move that off screen for a second. So the problem appears to be that JSON true and form raw. Let's see. Or not valid options for the root/request JS library. I think that's what it is. Let me verify that real quick. I get accurate information in here. Okay, it's not request.js. It is request. But this is right. So that. All right, the problem appears to be that the JSON true and form hex are not valid options for the root request library and do not properly set the headers for the request. Let's see, and let's uncomment that. Maybe I'll copy that. Okay, so JSON true. So was attempted, but did not fix the issue entirely. Just changed the error. Okay. So what have we got now? This bug is related to implementing CrowdNode for that issue in CrowdNode number 1. When executing CrowdNode signup or accept in browser, the error below is thrown. This attempts to fix the error and let you continue the CrowdNode signup and accept process. The problem appears to be that JSON true and form raw tx hex tx are not valid options for the root request library and do not properly set the headers for the request. This was attempted but did not fix the issue entirely. Just change the error. I'm going to say good enough. Boom. All right, PR's out for that. I'm going to ping that in the Discord channel. Let's find the right channel here. Let's go back into this CrowdNode one. You know what? I know I changed quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but I changed a bit in these. So I'm actually gonna kill this server. I'm gonna do bun install, and that should reset these libraries. If not, I might clear. Ooh. For dependency -hive HD key. Interesting. Dependency type GitHub. What? That's bizarre. Let's just do an npm install then. Okay, that did it. Do I have that in here? Oh, that's interesting. Maybe it's something AJ did. So 18031 521 110. Okay. So let's check these files now that I installed. That didn't reset. Still no reset. All right, I guess I'm gonna do the lazy way and just delete it. I think I just saw that this was possible, so I'm gonna try it real quick. Ha! Guess not. All right, let's try again. Still not implemented. But not implemented. I'm gonna delete that. Nope, still no. Yes, we're not doing that. Okay. The files are closed now. So let's try to open them back up, shall we? We shall. And CrowdNode. All right, so there's the default. We've got the default reinstalled. I assume we should still have this error. So let's spawn start. Okay, and refresh. Okay, gonna clear that and that. Enter our nifty password. That does that. Still doesn't think we've signed up, so let's try it again. Same error, which is to be expected. All right. The main reason I wanted to do that is I know I had changed some stuff in CrowdNode when I was trying to get it to send, and I want to make sure I didn't change something else here that needs a PR. So now, where was that? So come in here, gonna copy this. Do that. Save. Clear and refresh. While we still got an error, I believe this worked. And so this error is because of the WS wait for bout and CrowdNode. Is not a function. So that or dash socket. Let's check the package.json. That's what I think is going on. So dash socket or dash socket ws, and there's no entry for dash socket here. But I think in dash site, let's copy that. Maybe that should have worked actually. Well, before we add that, let's go back to dash site. And in dash site, it would request WS. Which does that stuff. It requires WS. Could not find declaration. Wait for. All right, so assuming it got that dash site, is it dash site or dash socket? So dash socket, and it's getting it from dash site / WS. But clearly it did not get that. But it says WS index. Huh. My guess is it's not making this transition. Let me see if hard coding this right there does anything. Regardless, this sign up for CrowdNode private key, it should work now. So let's do the password again. Oh. Nope, that's not right. See that sign up? That would be 0 or non-existent if it didn't do it. So we should be past the sign up. That means I actually have a bug in the code here. In the CrowdNode UI code. So let's see. Let's sign up. We want the one above that, so field set disabled. Let's change this. So if no, or I don't know if we could actually get in that scenario, but so then we show sign up. If so, otherwise CN status. And we are getting scene status from there. And accept is equal to 0. Then we want not sign up. We want accept. but I'm gonna throw this in here just to be sure. So sign up is greater than 0 and is equal to 0. Okay, let's try that. Aha! That's what I was looking for. Okay, let's see. What were we testing again? This is what we were testing. So let's see with that change if it works. Wait, will this work? Hang on. How am I including this? Dash request, dash site, dash socket. That's not, wait, oh, it might work. Yeah, that might work. Where was it pointing? That is the file it's pointing at, but it should get dash socket from elsewhere. Dash socket should get established from this dash socket. Interesting. Let's reveal. That is in dash site, dash socket. Wait for val is in this index, but it's not in the dash socket. So it was getting it right, but there's no wait for val function. And I had copied at least part of this into this is one of the things I had done that I couldn't quite remember what I had done. Let me see if I can copy this down into this one. What do we got? WS dot close net listen. Let's keep this open for now. And we also want to know it came after listen. Okay, so it does after this listen function. We want VS WS wait for val. That's what we want. Okay, so let's save. Let's reload. And I'm gonna peek around here and find the, well, oh, I forgot to clear. Let's try this again. Dash socket, preview, wait for vouts. Okay, so it definitely has it there now, assuming I didn't need to make any other changes. It's got WS listened. I'm hoping it doesn't need other changes. If it does, be me. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Let's clear, and moment of truth. So I'm pretty sure even when I copied that function in, it would error out eventually. Something to do with the connection already being closed. So I'm kind of expecting that to happen still. So there might be more. Oh, there we go. Failed to execute remove listener on event target 2 required, but WebSocket is already in closing or closed state. Yep. So that is 271 and 214. So let's do 214. Turn up that music a tiny little bit. All right. Hmm. 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 So add event listener, message, unclose, set ping. All right, so where is set ping getting? Set ping, set timeout, WSN2, if debug, socket ping IO, session ping interval. IO3. Subscribe, hold, connect, commit. Subscribe, connect, WS. So new promise, WS on open. Resolve. Okay, so AJ is wrapping all the connection stuff for the WebSocket. So on open, that stuff, to probe, an error, do that. What does that function do? That is what I was expecting it to do, is some form of reject. So on error should reject with the error. On message, we have 3 probes, debug, alert, resolve, WS, promise. So connect, WS should be a promise. So WS do those even work? Is that right? So async function, this is async. Then we do a promise inside of it. and it returns the promise. Well, it awaits and returns the promise. The promise itself should resolve with the WebSocket. Okay. So I think I understand how that's happening. It should have the add event listener. It should have on close. Then set ping. Let's go to 271. So on close happens. Failed to execute, remove event listener. On event target, 2 arguments required, but only 1 present. Interesting. Because of that. Add event listener. Message on message. Remove event listener. Message on message. Then we do on close. Okay. So set ping. Right, what I'm gonna do, I believe, is add a let so let's say ping timeout. No, we're gonna do ping timeout equals that, and then on close So on close is resolve. Whereas that is that one function. So let's say on close, remove and clear timeout is ping timeout. Will that work? I think that'll work. All right, let's give that a shot. Clear. This should be ready to deposit now. Assuming those other, yeah. So now it's at the deposit fund stage. So I could do this. Boom, deposit funds. Not enough funds available in UTXOs. Huh. Should have been. That's interesting. What if I go down one? How about that? Maybe it's because of that. Let's try that. Oh, I forgot about that. So there is a pad or padding that gets added to. Oh wait, what just happened? Oh, did I must have entered the password wrong. Whoops. That was not my intention. Wait, that's still the wrong passkey. Let's refresh this. Oh, okay. That was weird. Okay, get balance. Sweet. Okay. But this is not what we want. We want a new key. So let's generate. Now we've got a new key. Oh, good thing I did that. We generate a new key. We apparently need to reset all this other stuff. So let's generate. No, oh, derp, wrong file. Let's go to the correct file. Generate, get private key. So is this the priv key form? Yeah. Priv key form. So on submit. What I probably want to do is a reset. It's going to be something with most of these. And what do we got? Get private key, get balance, swap, storage, check wallet funds, fund or init, main. Let's do it above those. And I'm gonna do it at the top right now. So let's say function, and function is going to be reset form fields. And for the reset form fields function, we're gonna drop this stuff in here, remove those, delete some lines, unindent stuff, and reset form fields should be let's check. It might be better to check here. Let's see. So we want private key form disabled. Sign up CrowdNode form disabled, except pretty much everything should be disabled. Except Inc private key. However, we're submitting this, so that should also be disabled at that point, I think. Let's see. Yeah, so that gets disabled. So the only one that shouldn't be disabled, or it should probably be the sign up-ish process. So let's find the priv key. Well, let's start with this. Okay. Sign up, accept deposit. Balance. Sign up, accept deposit, balance. Sign up, accept deposit, balance. Hey, look at that. So let's do that. There and there. So I believe we want disabled true. And private key form disabled true. Disabled true. True. Probably true. And true. True. So we've got reset form fields. Inc private key. We wanted it in here, so for this one, not on input, we want on submit. So private key on submit, event prevent default. We get the private key. My private key is that. If my private key, we want to reset form fields, and then we're going to do that, and then fund or init. Okay. So let's try that again. So let's delete that. We're gonna actually delete the whole thing and then generate. Oh wait, we needed the other oh, I know how to do that. That's actually a little inconvenient. Let's just refresh. We're gonna unlock. We're gonna actually swap it for one of the old keys. Ah. Okay, so this is what we wanted. Let's refresh again and see if that got saved. It surely did. Get balance. Awesome. Now, user generate. So now I want to delete this, and this should reset all of these. Yeah, okay. So let's get this funded. Let's see. And we're gonna do 004 and send. And send. Okay. This might already be available. Hey, look at that. Current wallet balance. So, let's see if this works. Let's get network, clear, and clear. And sign up. Don't error, please. Come on. You can do it. So we should get into the fund or init side. Well, no, it should be that. Oh, hey. Look at that. And it may not have errored. Sweet. That's a first. However, there should be one obvious problem. You spotted, kids? It's there. The sign up button. It didn't disable. Okay. So sign up CrowdNode form. What we want is sign up worked. So we're gonna say sign up is disabled true. Save. Okay, but I'm gonna ignore that for now. And I'm gonna come down here. We're gonna add in accept disabled true. All right, balance form. Okay, so now I actually do want to refresh, so let's do that. accept. It is doing some polling. Alright, so when this finishes, assuming no errors again, it should hopefully enable the deposit section and fields. Wow, that oh, look at that. Hey. That's looking pretty good now. Let's do a get balance. Oh wait, that ain't right. That didn't work quite right. Is this the one? Yeah, that's why. Okay. It's because I need to do that now. Deposit CrowdNode. Okay. And before I forget, ooh, I wasn't expecting that. That's interesting. What is max set to? Huh. That's what I was expecting to have it. Shoot, did I freaking close that? That's annoying. Alright, this should fail, I think. Not enough funds and UTXOs. Okay. So... and that's because we need a padding. Where was that? That CrowdNode offset. So I want to see CrowdNode dot sign up, accept, deposit. Okay, so I am looking for deposit CrowdNode funds. Max equals that minus CrowdNode offset, assuming that works. Let's try adding that there. No, that's not working. Why? Cannot find... What do you mean you can't find it? You're using it right there. Oh my gosh. That seems all kinds of dumb. Ooh, that's interesting. That's really interesting. Oh, I get why. I could have sworn I was dividing by something somewhere. There, I guess. Is that what I had maybe somewhere? To Duff amount. So to Duff from utils. CrowdNode. To Duff. Deposit CrowdNode. So that's line 129, and we want to. I don't know what the difference is. Let's do that one. So 2 dash, 2 dash, 2 Duffs. Duffs fixed. Ah, yeah, I want that one. Okay. So. No, didn't mean to do that. I've got that and. That. Okay, let's clear, reset. Actually gonna clear that again. Let's check the number. That's looking far more correct number-wise. Okay, so let's do that and okay, and deposit. Okay. It doesn't look like it worked quite right. Current wallet balance, so I should be able to do something like that. So it is 2,000 less. Yeah. Now it started the WebSocket polling-ish type stuff. Interesting. And it finished. Okay, let's try this again. Huh. Doesn't seem like it wants to move all the money in. It's kind of weird. So before we had something like this. So let's go back to that. Song reminds me of another song by, I think the band is called My Terrible Friend. You know, when you have a drink and you forget the drink you have and you think you have something else in your cup and you go to drink it, and you take a big old gulp, then you realize this drink is not what I wanted. Okay, so I don't know why it won't let me deposit that last little bit. I guess I did update that, but now I can't recall if I refresh. So I'm gonna try refreshing again. It's clear and clear. We'll get logged in. Then let's do that. Not enough funds available. UTXOs. What if I do that? Still no. Looks like that may have worked finally. So 39624 minus 3812. So for some reason, I couldn't deposit the correct amount and the offset appears to be way higher. So yeah, this offset is an entire decimal place higher, it looks like. That is not to say that it's wrong. But now if we get balance, well, let's actually refresh again. Well, when I get balance, I should also update this one. So let's see, current wallet balance. Current wallet balance. Status, CrowdNode status. It's for this. Versus get balance. I feel like that should get more than 0. Get balance is for balance form. So balance. All right, balance form. That right there is kind of a useless abstraction. It just shortens it a tiny little bit. I don't know if that's worth it. But I'm gonna add wallet funds, check wallet funds, address. That one's a little more worth it, but even then, it's only because of that log. We consolidated a bit. So balance, check wallet funds. Okay. Check wallet funds if total balance, whatever. So let's see. Maybe I don't need that if statement. So wallet funds dot balance. Maybe I'll just say that. Let's do that for now. So set p balance. All right, let's save and clear and refresh. Let's try this again. Okay. Balance. And that's too much. Try to send this. Ooh, it's not supposed to happen. Sort of adjacent HTML. Balance after begin. I don't know why I can't get this last little bit deposited. Seems like it should deposit, but oh well, it's not that big of a deal. Alright, sorry. Responding to some messages here. I think before I forget, I should... Let's see, it was this file, right? I think it was this. Let's copy and, where's my other editor? Right here. Let's see, if I paste this here. That's what I was hoping for. So, ooh, wait. That's not what I was hoping for. What's going on? What? That don't look right. Let's see. Review on Explorer. Dash site, dash socket. Dash site, dash socket. Main. I thought I synchronized this branch already. Get status. Get pull. Get fetch. Isn't there a shorthand for specifying? Super annoying to me that there's a shorthand for pull but not for push, or for push but not for pull. I don't know. It's dumb. Alright, let's see. Is in sync and up to date with origin main. Is it though? So there's origin. So I know AJ's been working on this ref blocks TX and fix V18 local stuff. So maybe there might be something in there that would resolve some of these issues. Okay. I apparently missed even more messages. All right, so this stuff has more than I thought it should, and I'm a little confused. Why? Oh, that's right. I was gonna check package JSON dash site 135. So that says 135, but then when we look here, at least the main branch is 120. So that's what I was thinking I was on. Fix add missing index to files. I'm running out of steam here. I am super duper confused by this though. I think I'm gonna revert that for now. Discard changes. And I'm gonna go back here. And it said we were on 135. Which should be this, I think. So that's, let's check out this. Let's delete view details. Let's, out. Sure. And this is bad, but yeah, I was kind of thinking, I'm not sure if that'll work. Switching to 135, you're in detached head, you can look around, blah blah blah. Advice. I did check out the tag, but alright, so with that change, now I want to copy this again and see what this does. That's the wrong file. This one. How different is this one? Ah, much closer. Yeah, that looks much more in line with what I was expecting to have changed. I'm gonna revert it though. And I'm gonna go back into here again and check out this. Which one? Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna actually check out this one. Okay. So with that, go in here, copy and paste. Okay, still pretty close. All right, that. Being based on AJ's latest changes. I think that's a good thing to add there. So, oh shoot, this is why you don't clear errors. I can't recall what the freaking error was. It was certainly related to wait for Vout. So fix wait for Vout. And there was something else. Oh, hey, cool AJ86. Awesome. I don't know if I have any view. I think you might be the only viewer right now. It offered to raid you, but as it might just be you, might not be all that useful. Yeah, it's probably not helping me stay awake with sleepy music, that's for sure. But I have it on good authority that sleepy... Oh wait, what is it? No, it's creepy pants all the time get some. Not sleepy pants. Oh well. I guess I don't have it on good authority. Would you say it's on strong bad authority? Okay, where's that code? So, since you're watching right this second, I'm gonna go ahead and make this PR because this fixes some stuff, but I can't recall all the things it fixes. There was a timeout error because this gets requested, so I added a little variable there, and then I clear the timeout down here, and then this was also a problem because remove event listener lacked. Oof. Too much clinky. So this lacked the message, so I'll make a PR for this real quick. Fix WS wait for Vout and clear timeout. All right. And where is that? There we go. Where's my fork? Wait, darn it. I just said that weird, didn't I? Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. I just committed it to the wrong branch. But luckily it's in my fork. Maybe I'll leave it because I'm feeling lazy. And I don't think anything should be -ng because -ng is going to make people think it's Angular. Or at least it makes me think of Angular. And then I get PTSD. So at that point, we might as well name it -PTSD. I don't want that. What do I want? Sync fork? No. Tribute? Yeah. Open pull request. Ref. Preview. Sure. Fix errors with missing, not missing. Wait for about. Fix browser errors with missing wait for about and set timeout not being weird. Okay, and boom, request. I only give serious answers to correct spelling. Kind of like this song. I'm not gonna look. It's weird, but I like it. Okay. Well, sadly, I haven't accomplished that much more with the CrowdNode UI, but I was able to get some of these. Is it too initsient? I don't know what that message means. Let's get what I have done here for CrowdNode UI committed. I'm gonna resize that for now. Don't need that. Caddy file I can remove because I dropped it. Oh wait, maybe I shouldn't remove it yet. I won't remove it yet. Let's see. Typo and add as item. Oh, whoops. Change that. Warn. CG video. Valid. Figure. Alright, let's remove those unused input. Best commit message ever. And it doesn't have any emojis, but you know. Can't win them all. Okay, let's see. Oh hey, I've got a lot of changes in HTML. I should definitely push. Okay, so let's see. Beat additional add more fields. Put fields in buttons. Oh yeah, lots of changes here. So QR funding. Balance. Right. That should do more. And I started to do this, but it's kind of half. But I need that QR code SVG. I'm gonna do this. It'll be problematic for anyone who doesn't know how to generate these yet, but I'm working on a package that I will replace this with very soon. So hopefully I'll have that fixed soon enough. So let's say swap. Nope, not here. Keep forgetting. Trying to do better at this. So feet. Add QR module. Remove caddy. Use serve. All right, let's try that. And sweet. Get push. That should work. All right. So now if we go do I have it open over here? Yeah, I do. Close that and that. There's my referencing the crap I was doing the last time video. Just have too many of these open. Why? Right. Good. Good. And one minute ago. Sweet. It gives us a bunch of commits here. Can I check anything else off? Count any of this stuff is finished. This partially works, but it doesn't auto update, and I would prefer it be auto updating. And these all mostly work. Actually, I think they all work once those bugs are fixed. So if those PRs get merged, then that should be done. Let's check this out. Oh, it's just those same things. Okay. Show balance for added private key wallets. Withdraw funds from CrowdNode staking. Okay, I do not have that yet. But I think that might be working. Because we've got that, although I said wallets. And I know the command line, you're able to specify more than one wallet, so it might be worthwhile holding off on that, because you, at least with the setup right now, you can only have one wallet. Withdraw funds from CrowdNode, transfer funds from CrowdNode wallet to external wallet. Yeah, so I definitely don't have those last two. That one's debatable. All right. Gonna wait. Oh yeah, that's right. Let's come into here and issues. Number 1. I'm gonna check these off, but leave that open because the functionality is there. It's just the PRs that need to be merged to fix. I'll need to bump package.json and all that, but once those are in, I should be good there. Show QR. I do want to flush both of them out so they're a little more smooth, but other than that, they're pretty close. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap up here. Let's see. Where's that thingamajigger? There we go. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, follow, subscribe, share, and you know, next time I'm on, if you catch it live, feel free to ask any questions or comment, just chat. I'm gonna try to kick it over and raid AJ, although he might be the only viewer right now, so we'll see how that works. But let me get that set up. See here. Oh wait, what's he gonna be streaming on? Dash Incubator or Cool AJ86? I think he said for Dashy, so it might be the Dash Incubator channel. Let me see if he's got it up already. I've done a bunch of... Oh, yeah. Sweet. Bunch of changes to my stream recently, and I'm still getting used to them. I still have more to do. Let's make sure I spell this correctly. Okay, let's try that. All right.